Alright, I just finished changing the oil on this, and I'm going to show you how to do the oil change reset on this Jeep Liberty. I think it's the same with a lot of Jeeps, but I'm just going to show you real quick how you do that. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put the key in the ignition, turn it on, press the gas pedal 3 times, 1, 2, 3, shut off the key, and that should have reset the oil change reset. So we got the low tire, door open. Alright, so we have successfully reset the oil change